Hi, welcome to Java interview coding questions. Today we'll try to write a Java program to find duplicate characters in the given string. Duplicate characters means here let me take an input like welcome to Java. The duplicate characters are here E, O and A because E is appeared for more than one time, O is appeared for more than one time and A is appeared for more than one time, so they can be called as duplicate characters. Guys, this kind of requirement we have already solved using traditional approach where we are trying to traverse over the entire array, right? Now, in this particular video, we'll try to use the concept of collections because interviews will specifically ask what kind of approach you have to follow, right? So that's why I have taken the specific video collections, right? So first thing is I will try to convert into an array. So basically you can go with str.toChar or I can go with str.split by passing the regular expression, and it is split method is going to return array of strings. This I am going to name it as data. Okay, fine. Once I got the array, I am going to simply use basic for loop or for each, and then I am trying to, so if I try to print here sort of string, right? If you observe, you got character by character, right? So like this you got, right? Means for each and every iteration you are going to get a single character. This character, can I add it into the set? Yes, set of character, which I am going to put from the util package set of result equal to new HashMap. I am trying to HashSet, sorry, HashSet. Okay, fine. So result dot add of string. What I am trying to add. If it is not there, it is going to be added. Add of character, right? So which is generating an error. So what you can do now? String. Let me take dot caret of 0. So which is referred to convert. Now, if I am going to run this one, the data which is not available in the set is going to be added. If it is available, it won't be added. Finally, I am going to print this out of result. Right? Observe. If I run this one, you got AC. See, observe, you are not going to get any kind of repeated characters. E, O and A is applied for only one time. Like this, you can able to remove the duplicate characters from the string. Hope you understood clearly. Thank you.